So today, let's talk about food. Food, movement, sleep, mindset are 4 pillars. Let's talk food, and especially to those guys just starting out on their wellness journey and figuring out their food. Now, you may know your macros, calories, carbs, proteins, fats, and they're your numbers, but for some blokes, they're just ticking boxes and they don't give a fuck where their food comes from. Here's my tip. Give a fuck, because it's going in your body and it's either going to serve you or poison you. Here's 3 lenses to look through when you're thinking about your food, not just the numbers, but getting the good shit in your body. Lens number 1, make sure you minimize processed and packaged foods that are full of preservatives and chemicals. Minimize those and look for whole foods. If you buy a lump of steak, buy a piece of fish, buy a head of broccoli, buy an apple, there's only one ingredient in that bag. There's no preservatives, there's no shit. Look for minimal ingredients, minimal preservatives, and minimal processed foods. Get rid of those first. Secondly, look for the origin of the food. If we're talking meat, we're talking about grass-finished, grass-fed meat, wild-caught, free-range, pasteurized, no chemicals, clean, environmentally conscious food that lands on our plate. Look for where it was made, look for where it was produced, and make sure you're minimizing the toxins that are going into that whole food that you're buying. And lens number 3, once you've done the first 2, start to think about the environmental toxins. They're the insidious little fuckers that get in our food through the plastic wrap, or the plastic plates we eat off, or the fucking plastic forks, or the plastic cups, or some of our non-stick fry pans. Those insidious fucking toxic chemicals that come into our amazing food and fuck it up before it gets into our body. Those 3 lenses will help you not just tick the numbers, but make sure the food that goes in satisfies the macros, but also feeds your body. Gives you the results you deserve, because you fucking deserve it. Yeah!